Rain, your grace, I your hand. I am in the glory of them. Hi, welcome back to another video. Today I am going to be cleaning. I want to restructure my office, because this is my second office. I'm going to put things in order. I was inspired by a video that I watched this morning. On my playlist this morning is Uncle Atu. So we are going to be doing this together with inspiration from Uncle Atu. This is the current state of my kitchen. Before life put us together again, we each had microwave, freezer, and then storage containers. Into Obaha, you will see those things in twos. So the ones we don't use often, we have packed them in one of the chest freezers. We don't have a constant supply of water in my city. So whenever the tap flows, we fetch water into anything worth filling. I'm a big fan of natural spices, and so whenever we travel home, we bring as much as we will need. Now, go hens baby food containers anymore. We had them from Mami Sewa. That is what we have up there. And when it comes to matches, I buy that family size into 100 pieces so that we don't run out. Wow, guys, on a normal day, it's nature that does the dishes, but because I needed to finish everything and get a thumbnail, blah blah blah, that's why I had to be washing the dishes as well. I got these onions on a rainy day, and because the fridge was full then, I had a lot of them getting spoiled, so I took it back into the fridge. So nature came in to sweep and also do the mopping for me. It was such a relief. Anyway, dear, I will not take the credit from her. She's very good at sweeping and mopping the house and also doing dishes. Those of you that are very good at organizing, please start uploading videos on that to motivate some of us. Anyway, I am done. I am done. I think some microwave in this one. Minya flour be boha ebe guy. The pantry is now organized. This corner is for Sister Nyonyam. So apart from her drinks, everything that she eats from morning till evening, we have them here. Oba Ahansua, we have Indomie, Milo. We buy the biggest of the pillow sizes. So we pour them in an airtight container. Then esroho nyinaa milk, Cowbell, Lipton. And then Mami West drinks, her bottles. Then when we go up, I want to show you something. I don't know why I do this, but with irons and blenders, I always make sure that I have a standby. So this one, I got it from Jumia. Yeah, I got it from Jumia somewhere, I think this year, early this year. Mpanyinfo say, dear daye ekosun ya ni pitri. And I will end the video here. I want to say thank you for being with me from the beginning up to this time. Until I grace your screens again, I plead that whenever you say a prayer, you don't forget to say one for me and my household. Bye-bye.